On Thursday, the Supreme Court temporarily stayed some provisions of the newly enacted Waqf Amendment Act, which has been a topic of debate and concern across the country. Let's break it down what it means and what are the key developments on the ongoing case. The Supreme Court issued an interim stay on certain parts of the Waqf Amendment Act, including its controversial provision that allows non-Muslims to be a part of the Waqf boards and councils. This means until the next hearing, no non-Muslims can be appointed to Waqf boards, and properties classified as Waqf by user will remain unchanged. During the hearing, Solicitor General Tushar Mehta asked for some more time to respond to the petitions. The court granted him 7 days to submit a preliminary response along with relevant documents. Meanwhile, the centre has told the court that no new appointments would be made to the Waqf boards or councils. The court also ensured that existing Waqf properties, whether they are registered or declared as Waqf by user, won't be altered for now. The government has defended the new Waqf Act, saying it's a well thought out law that addresses many concerns surrounding Waqf land management. However, the court stressed while the law has some positive aspects, it doesn't want to see any change in the Waqf properties until the matter is fully reviewed. One of the major concerns raised by the petitioners is the concept of Waqf by user. This allows properties to be declared as Waqf simply because they have been used for religious purposes over time. Senior advocate Kapil Sibal, representing the petitioners, argued that this is unfair, especially for properties that don't have any formal framework. He also raised concerns about giving government officials like district collectors the power to decide disputes over Waqf properties. Chief Justice Sanjeev Khanna raised an important question about the status of historical mosques. He pointed out that many mosques, like Delhi's Jamia Masjid, were built centuries ago, long before property laws were even in place. How can such historical buildings provide formal documents for registration? The Chief Justice wondered whether properties that have been used for religious purposes for hundreds of years could now be dismissed because they lack proper registration. The next hearing of the case will take place on May 5, when the Supreme Court will review the responses from the government and the petitioners. The Waqf Amendment Act has sparked protests in many parts of India, with people raising concerns about the law's impact on religious rights and property management. The case remains under active consideration, and both the sides are awaiting the court's final ruling. For now, the status of Waqf properties stays as it is, and we will keep you updated on any further developments. Subscribe our channel for more updates.